In today's intelligent era, efficient and reliable display solutions are essential across various industries. Today, we bring you our embedded all-in-one machine combining high efficiency, stability, and multifunctionality. This device seamlessly supports Android and Linux operating system, and it is powered by advanced processors like Rockchip and Qualcomm and all winners. With options ranging from 5 to 43 inches, it adapts flexible to your needs, whether for portable device or large interactive system. Enjoy stunning visual with resolution from 1080 pixel to 4K and a brightness of up to 1000 nits, ensuring clear display even in bright environment. Constructed from industrial-grade materials, it operates stable under extreme conditions, making it ideal for any setting. With variety of configurable interface. Here you can see we have UART, GPO, and here we have Ethernet port RJ45, and we also have a USB port. This port also provides optional features like Bluetooth, GPS, and 4G and 5G connectivity. This port can also be customized according to the customer requirements. So our product allows a separation of motherboard and a screen drive, and it gives a flexible installation options. Here you can see we also have a panel PC. It supports installation across a variety of products, which provides integrated solution for industrial, medical, and smart home application. For more information on our product specification, you can please contact us.